Let's slowly get started. It's already 9 o'clock. So good morning and welcome everyone. I'm so excited to welcome you all to our workshop on post-quantum cryptographic protocols. And on behalf of the organizing committee, which comprises Leuven staff, we have Sarcha Dana here, Professor Barpernil, Elsie back at in COSIC, and also the organizing committee at Eurocrypt who helped us put together this workshop, and also the incredible list of speakers that agreed to make time to come and contribute to this workshop. So the focus of this workshop is beyond the cryptographic primitives that would be the first things to migrate when it comes to post-quantum migration. So we'll focus on the challenges we face beyond primitives. So cryptographic, post-quantum cryptographic protocols. What are the challenges when migrating protocols to the post-quantum world? So this workshop is organized by us at KU Leuven, and we're a partner in a project, PQCSA project, funded by the Digital Europe program, which we started last year. The three main focus areas of this project is raising awareness by means of training. We had organized a summer school last year and a couple of workshops, and organizing, coordinating standardization activities in ISO and different standardization bodies, and migration road mapping activities in different sectors. And the consortium comprises University of Eindhoven, Technical University of Eindhoven, which is also the coordinator, and the technology group in Germany, crypto experts in France, Trinity College in Dublin, and KU Leuven, the COSIC team. So today we have a really impressive list of speakers. I first of all thank them all. We start the day with a talk that sets the scene for the day by Professor Pernil, and then we'll have a wide range of topics covered by the rest of the speakers, from theory to practice in post-quantum cryptographic protocol design and advances in Aysajan-based crypto, and post-quantum privacy-preserving payment systems, and OPRF, and threshold post-quantum digital signatures, and private information retrieval, versatile LWE problems, how they enable building, constructing post-quantum secure zero-knowledge proofs. And yeah, I think this is it. So the program starts with, as I said, with a keynote talk by Professor Pernil, and then we'll have a 40-minute lunch, breakfast, coffee break, which takes place at the first floor. If you take the stairs right next to this hall, and there's you see where the coffee is, and the lunch will also be at the same place. So we have, after the coffee break, 4 talks, and we have a 80-minute lunch break. Then in the afternoon, we'll have almost same structure in terms of talks. So we'll have a talk by Dr. Wiggers, giving us the challenges we face when migrating protocols to the post-quantum world, the bad, the ugly, and the good. And following a coffee break, we'll end with 3 talks, and at the end there will be some networking opportunities with the participants and the speakers. And another important announcement: if you need the Wi-Fi, if you don't have the eDROM access, so there's a list of one-time access codes for Wi-Fi, and if you pick one, please scratch it, because it's one-time use, so we will know which ones are taken. So the list was here. Sergeant, where is the list? The Wi-Fi list?
Yes, it's here.
So if you need the Wi-Fi code, please pick one there and just scratch it. So without further ado, I will hand over the floor to our first speaker, Professor Bart Brunel. As you all know, he's a renowned figure in the field of cryptography. Among his achievements, I'll just mention the excellence, the RSA Excellence Prize in Mathematics that he was awarded in 2014. That's almost more than a decade ago. And he was also IACR president in the past, and he is the director of the COSIC research group at KU Leuven. So he will talk about the threats we face in the quantum threats, and also the recent advances in algorithmic advances in implementing the Shor's algorithm, the reduction in terms of the number of qubits required to break RSA and elliptic curve cryptography. So